Saturday, November 23rd, and I'm not getting out here until late in the day. What did you accomplish here today?
I made this piece
Oh, wow. Okay.
and welded all this in. Turned this around so it matches the other one
Yeah.
underneath.
Wow.
And that's all sanded and first coat.
Okay.
And
So no fooling around today.
over here, 8 o'clock. Sanded body filled here and put the back up behind.
Yeah. Wow.
And the other side is this is finished now. Just needs sanding and painting.
Okay.
And we put the window and the rubber in
Okay.
after frying it. And we got those cupolas here, so we got those differentials up in the sawhorse that I've been checking out.
Okay. So we had a customer want a differential, so one came out of this machine, another one Dad got into stock here. Looks like these guys were pretty heavy into the grinding and the dusting here today, or
Okay.
so. But I don't know if the body man was supposed to show up here today or not, but he's not here right now. He's got his priming that he's got done, and there's going to be a lot more work here. What a difference this is. Like, we started this project 2 weeks ago, and these guys have actually been able to move in leaps and bounds in here already.
Cut this all out now. Everything to the pedals.
Yep. So it's very remarkable what these guys have been able to accomplish. Put their mind to it, get it done, and there's still going to be a lot of cleanup in here. As the unit dries out more, we're finding more rust and then scraping it out and vacuuming it out. Lots and lots to do. Looks like likely what they're going to do is they're going to get this right down to where they need it to be, do all the priming and painting and whatnot before they start putting it back together. I know Dad in the past has worked around a lot of stuff, but this is the way to go, is just open it right up, clean it right back down, rip it all out, make sure it's right, and go from there. So these guys are going to be busy doing this for a little bit here. A little less dust in the air here today, but they I think we've sucked in enough dust over the last 2 weeks here to fill us up. We got snow on the ground. It's a little chilly, so the dogs are in the shop. This res dog right here from Puckatawagan, she's testing out the couch. Charlie knows where the couch is. He's not too worried. And my Filipino Emily just doesn't want to come inside, doesn't like it, wants to be in her doghouse. I figured she'd be wanting to stay in all the time. Nope, doghouse is fine by me. So good-natured. Of course, the cat's still supervising here, and the other little dun's right here. Got her jacket on, and then we got Schooner Shop Dog over there. So again, guys, lots and lots of progress here, and we'll check in with Dad tomorrow.